Okay guys, another little video just in case you guys weren't aware on how to put this thing back. Anyways, I put the cover back. I never glued it back together because I'm gonna have to disconnect it if it breaks again. But the problem is fixed now, so the cover's back. I just thought I'd make another short video just to show you when you remove the cabio. There's a little clip that goes in on this side and on this side. It's a little plug that goes from inside the cabio and it plugs through to this external panel, and on this side it basically hooks the cabio, so and it keeps it from falling completely out. But the main thing is this little wheel over here. There's a little gear inside over here, and there's a little pole that attaches to the cabio that slides in and out of here. So I just wanted to show you guys. It comes out, this thing comes out, it just pops out and pops in there. I don't know what the engineers were thinking, how they made this thing, but yeah, as you can see, there's a little, that's the part that comes in and attaches. Let me just get the cabio over here. This little part over here that slides in. So as you can see over here, that little wheel goes in the middle, in the center of that strip, and it slides in. So it's got these two little connectors at the bottom of the cabio, this one over here and this one over here. These are two little clips that clips over these rubber parts at the bottom. So to remove the cabio, all you simply do is you just line this up. Let me try and do this with one hand. See, you put it over there, that has to clip in over there. There's a clip over that one, clip over that one, and you have to line this thing. Firstly, you have to first put this part in over here on the side. Sorry, that's my alarm to I have to go and collect my daughter from school now, so that's my alarm. But anyways, as you can see over there, the side, this is just a quick video. This part over here, you have to connect, make sure that it's lined up. Oh sure, but the gear fell out. Let me put this gear back in. Slide the gear back in there. It keeps on sliding out. That's a complicated move. Anyway, lining it up there. Yeah, that goes in there. There it goes, lined up. Clip it in. Slide it. You see, if you can